How to run offline scan Windows Defender. Click the Start button. Click on Setting. Click Update and Security. Select Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Check for Update under Virus and Threat Protection Updates. Click Check for Updates. No updates available. Click the arrow key to back the page. Click Scan option. Click Windows Defender Offline Scan. Click Scan Now button. Click Scan to confirm. Your PC will restart and wait until the scan is finished and for your computer to automatically start.